What's up guys, I'm Carson with Oakville Fishing and welcome back to another video. In today's video, all I'm going to be doing is showing you how I clean my 55-gallon aquarium. Let's get right into it. The first thing I do when cleaning out this aquarium is remove all the decorations, and I have my floor all toweled up for that. Alright guys, as you can see, all the decorations are out. And also one thing I forgot to mention, take out the filter cartridges before you start all of this. I also turned off the air pump, turned off the filter, and turned off the heater. But now what I'm going to do is scrub the inside of the glass. I'm going to do that with these little magnetic brushes I have. But for the back wall, since I don't want to mess up the background, I'm just going to go in there and scrub it by hand. All the walls are scrubbed now, so the next thing to do is vacuum out the bottom. I'll show you how I do that real quick. It actually sucks up the bad stuff, and if you tilt it at an angle, it lets all the sand back out. As you can see, I have a bucket full of dirty tank water, so I'm gonna run outside, dump that out, then come back in and do the left side. I just got most of the right side done. Alright guys, once again the bucket is full. And the sand is about as clean as I'm gonna get it. So I'm gonna go dump that out, and then I'm gonna replace all that dirty water with clean water. All right guys, I'm now filling up this bucket with clean water, and I'm going to apply the water conditioner. This is the water conditioner I'm using. It's very strong, that's why I put such a little amount in the bucket. And yeah, we'll stop it right there. And again, just a little bit of water conditioner. Should be good. I'm gonna go fill up one more bucket. Alright guys, the tank is filled all the way to the top. And now I'm going to turn the filter and heater back on so all the little scraps can start making their way through the filter. These filter cartridges might not look like it, but they are still clean. I replaced them only a couple weeks ago, so they should still be good for a couple more weeks. So I'm going to pop these right back in. A lot of you probably already know this, but whenever you turn on your filter after not having it on for a while, it can start doing this. All you got to do to make it shut up is get a cup and just pour some water in it. I have to do it 2 or 3 times. And then it starts running by itself. Filter is running, heater is on. I'm gonna wait to turn the air pump back on until the house is back in there. But the next step is to clean off all the decorations. guys, all the decorations are rinsed off. Now it's time for them to go back in the tank. I want to set up the decorations differently because you kind of get bored from looking at the same thing over and over again. So I'm trying to think about how I could set it up that's different. I think I'm going to put the house dead in the middle, and then I'll have, I think basically what I'm going to do is just switch where the Easter Island statue and the house were. Yeah, I'll just start doing that and see how it looks. And there it is, nice and clean, nice new design, something new to look at every day. I really like the way it turned out. One more thing I want to do before this video ends is actually move the 2 neon tetras from this tiny 2.5 gallon back to this 55 gallon. They don't really move in that tank, and I can feel kind of bad for them. I want to give them a little bit more space to swim around, so I'm going to go ahead and remove them from this tank, put them in that one. The neon tetras are back in their big tank. There's one, I don't know where the other one went. Oh, he's back under that plant. It's been about 24 hours. The water is looking crystal clear. You can see all the way to the other side. And the neon tetras are happier than ever. You might not be able to tell on camera, but I can definitely tell in person that their colors are actually a lot brighter than they were in the other tank. So that's a good sign. They've been moving around a lot. Good to see. They're so much happier now. But that is going to wrap up this video. I really like the way this tank looks now. And if you liked this video, make sure you drop a like, hit subscribe, join the fish gang, turn on post notifications, and I am going to see you in the next video.